Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we test and review the gear that actually improves your daily life. Today, we're reviewing the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth Earbuds, true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation and a built-in mic. If you're looking for crystal clear sound, comfort, and top-tier noise canceling for your commute, work, or travel, stick around. Hit that like button and subscribe for clear, practical reviews that help you buy smart and avoid regrets. Unboxing and design. Out of the box, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds have a sleek, minimal design with a matte finish that feels premium in hand. The case is compact enough for your pocket, and the earbuds come with soft silicone ear tips that provide a snug, comfortable fit. They're sweat and weather resistant, making them ideal for workouts, walks, or travel days. The sound quality is where Bose shines. You get crisp highs, deep bass, and balanced mids that make everything from classical music to hip-hop sound immersive. Whether you're listening to a podcast or tuning into your favorite playlist, these earbuds deliver a rich, clear sound. Active noise cancellation. The active noise cancellation is outstanding. It effectively blocks out airplane cabin noise, coffee shop chatter, or office background hum. You can also adjust the ANC levels using the Bose app, letting you customize how much of the outside world you want to let in. Transparency mode is available for when you need to hear your surroundings without removing the earbuds. Mic and call quality. For calls, the built-in mic does a solid job filtering out background noise so you sound clear, even on a busy street or in a noisy house. If you take a lot of work calls, you'll appreciate the reliable call quality these earbuds provide. Battery life. Battery life is solid, offering up to 6 hours on a single charge, with the charging case providing an additional 12 hours. A quick 15-minute charge will give you up to 2 hours of playtime, perfect for when you're on the go. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional active noise cancellation, premium sound quality, a comfortable, secure fit, good mic quality for calls, a reliable Bose app customization. Con: a larger earbuds may feel bulky for some. A price is premium compared to competitors. A no wireless charging on the case. If you're looking for premium earbuds that prioritize sound quality and noise cancellation, the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth Earbuds are a solid choice for travel, work, and daily use. Ready to level up your audio experience? Check the link in the description for the best current pricing and deals on the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly practical reviews, and let us know in the comments. What feature matters most to you in wireless earbuds? Sound quality, noise cancellation, or comfort? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.